to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're gonna make red velvet crinkle cookies. This is super easy because we're gonna use the box mix. All we need is canola oil, eggs, and then we're gonna roll it in regular sugar and powdered sugar to get that crinkled cookie effect. So let me get everything mise en place and I'll show you how to make it. Hello friends, I appreciate you being here. Please watch the video to the end so you can see the whole recipe and help me out. Would you please click like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you more recipes? This is one of the easiest things I've ever made. All we need to do is mix our eggs with our oil, use a whisk, stir them together, and then we mix together this cake mix in a bowl, stir it together, and this is this thick cookie batter we end up getting. This dough is so firm, you don't even need to let it chill before baking. Just scoop right along the edge of the bowl and wipe off the excess. Then you're gonna scoop it into the granulated sugar. That is 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. Toss it and coat the entire cookie. And then we're gonna put it into the powdered sugar. That's about 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Again, toss it and then put it on your baking sheet. I have mine lined with a silk pad. If you don't have one, you can use parchment paper. And make sure you space your cookies so that they can bake evenly. I like to stagger them so the hot air can get around them evenly. And I also use a cookie scoop to make sure that I get the same amount each time. So I'm gonna put these into a 325-degree oven, and I will set the timer for 5 minutes. Rotate it from top to bottom and front to back while I'm baking, and bake it for another 5 minutes. This is how they look at the 5-minute mark. All right, and we're gonna rotate the sheet pan. I only have one pan in here, so I'm just rotating it front to back. But if I had 2 trays of cookies, I would now rotate the tray from the bottom to the top and front to back. So I'm gonna set the timer for another 5 minutes. Here are red velvet crinkle cookies, and that was so easy. Look at these beautiful cookies. Let me take a bite. Oh, it was nice and fudgy on the inside and crisp and chewy on the outside. Oh, this is fantastic. So I hope you are inspired to make this maybe for Valentine's Day this year and share them with your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Please check out all the videos on my YouTube channel. There's over 450. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen. Leave me a comment and let me know how you like the recipe. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.